Hey, what's up guys? This is John Spear with Warhammer. Hope you guys are having a great day. Today I'm going to show you guys how to take out your battery on a 2012 Ram 1500. Alright, pretty simple, but we'll go from there. So I already moved the battery terminals, but just in case you're unaware, you are going to want to take your negative off first and your positive off second, and then do the reverse order when you come back. All right, so we did use a number 10 millimeter to get these screws off right here. So it was a number 10, fits perfect. You do not use American standard, you use millimeters. So the next step is down below here, there's one screw, and that one screw is what holds your battery. That screw is a 10 millimeter as well. So we'll just take it off real quick. Good to go. Come down here, take it off. There's also a little plastic piece. So what I like to do is just stick it where I can find it again. So boom. Take this little clamp off, kind of keep in tension with which way it was facing. So, you know, if it was like that, just leave it like that. And then what we're gonna want to do is just grab this sucker by the handle, take her out. So the new battery came with, you know, obviously brand new battery, but the old one still had this little sucker in there. So it should just slide right back on. No biggie. Typically, if you take your old battery to the auto parts store, wherever you bought the battery, they give you a core charge, roughly around 20 bucks. All right, so we'll stick this sucker back in. Make sure you pay attention to where's positive, where's negative on your truck. But it should be pretty self-explanatory. All right, so I'll put that in and we'll catch back up. All right, now that the battery's sat back in, what we're gonna want to do is grab our thing that we placed right here, this guy, and now we're gonna stick it back on. So, kind of see it down here. All right, so what I'm gonna do is stick the screw in first, kind of find me a little anchor point. Now we're just gonna dig ourselves down there. Alright, come on, baby. Alright, we got it. Get our handy dandy Milwaukee ratchet. Just flip it on the tighten portion, stick it on there, and once again it is a 10 mil. Alright, it's good to go. Give it a good little shake test. Make sure it's not going to go anywhere. Alright, and then what we're going to want to do is do the opposite thing. So we're going to take these little tabbies off. Alright. Throw them behind you, and then we're gonna stick the positive on first and then the negative. All right, I'll be right back. Now that we got it all tested, or not tested, but we got it all in there, it's nice and tightened down, negative, positive, good to go. We'll turn her on for the magic event. All right, here we go. Let's turn her on right here. Good to go, battery's up. All right. Yeehaw. Thank you guys for watching that little video on how to change your battery on a 2012 Ram 1500. Really appreciate you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys have a great day. Please like and subscribe for more how to do Ram stuff, electrician stuff, a little bit of everything. So, have a great day, guys.